Morning guys, Jamaica are the best TV. I just have a jump right in the news. Yeah man. Gonna see what going on, what
Me not
going.
even press gas, me the driver.
Driver comply and arrest. No, shoot. This will be a constable command and arrest. You are constable of yourself. You are constable of yourself. What me do? What me do? What me do? They have blocked the road. You just not block the road. They have blocked the road. They have blocked the road. Driver, exit the way. Hello, boy. What's going to be there? That's where they are. You know what you do. Driver, comply and exit the vehicle. Comply with the police and exit the vehicle. Right. Driver, exit the vehicle. 455. Tell her to call them and them. Miss, if you don't disappear. Miss, clear the way. I talk to the face now. I talk to the face. Exactly. 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 No. We work with them. We work with them. We work with them. We work with them. And then we work with them over. You jump there. You have straight man. Put back the tool and have a car. Put back the tool and have a car. Watch out. Watch out. Can't be mad at me. You better put the tool out of my car. The tool them. What are you doing, Mashi, to your side? Actually, we just don't check them. We shot me a roar. Afternoon, sir. Just wait, me talk to you.
You're not even up to deal with people. Why me I tell you? I'm shut up my big dirty speaking mode.
Sir, police, they are under arrest. Comply.
With what? Never have handcuffs. You want to arrest people and have no handcuffs.
Under arrest. House prosecuting you for a court ticket. You drove away.
Sir, the pedestrian cannot pass. The pedestrian cannot pass. Come out on the road and come run yourself.
Driver, just comply with the police.
Run the camera. Run the camera. They're telling them to turn.
Yeah, driver. So, hey, under arrest, sir. Just comply with it.
Simple telling them to turn yourself. You're not coming to come to me.
Don't make the situation.
I'm just like a pizza.
Yeah, man, but when you're under arrest, you have to just comply. We will fix everything.
No, it's not.
Sir, what's your right to say?
Come on, call.
Get the situation escalated.
455. 65. Sir, you know, if you add the complaint because you see him have a bad day, you know.
We don't know, feel like, we don't respect the
Sir, I'm come running. Why me stop? Tell him why me stop. Because anybody that feel upset, I jump in my face, I know. Why me jump in my face?
realize you push me up.
Jesus Christ, man, to push me up. You're a liar. You're a liar. You have a bad day, but you want to pick up and innocent people. Now, big man, I'm going to be a father, I know. I'm Mr. Wonder policeman. Why is a civilian? You have family. My daughter called me now. I'm not talking to her now. Warn me. find out if they go back to school or not. Because they can't see us. I mean, I explain to them, they say, no, he ain't dead, he don't care about that. He don't care about that. He never called back. Devon, tell the lawyers to come out of police station, come out of African police station.
You need someone to come for the vehicle, eh?
Come and forget to come for the vehicle.
Driver, comply. Please. Put your hand behind you. Put your hand behind you.
Devon, tell me
Come on for the phone.
Driver, come on for the phone. So you have to be humble now, you never have to be a fellow while now.
That's the man.
No, he behave aggressively towards an officer. He behave aggressively towards me. Why will it ask him why will it?
You know you have a right?
They have a right, but him abuse me the same way. He not supposed to let me boss. Now big enough to be a word in father now. No, you don't do the law. You're not serving and protect. You're not serving and protecting. You're not serving and protecting.
Alright, driver, calm down.
Serving and protecting. Boss, easy. You're abusing.
Alright, driver, no bother escalate it no more.
They're not serving and protecting. You tell them they have a bad day or protecting up our people. That is one of the main things.
Alright, what you know?
Oh, make a move it. Look at that stupidness. Look at that stupidness you can't ask me.
Listen up.
The person who's supposed to call is that word.
You too arrogant, you know.
After the box, then we get the most arrogant and angry.
All right.
Don't listen to none of them.